and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can design design a house in Toca Boca, Toca World, whatever you want to call it. Here's the kitchen. I think I'm just going to make this the bed, maybe. I don't know. I feel like it's going to be really small. I did pick quite a small house for this. But you're going to essentially just go to furniture here, and you are going to see that there's a bed, a bathroom, kitchen supplies, and living room, and etc. I'm going to make this the living room. You can make this to whatever you want. Just select the chair, and you're just going to place it here. And you can add more stuff like this footrest, I guess. You can select these items so you guys can put it on. I don't know why I can't select the rest. Well, apparently I can do this. Just going to add this cutesy pillow on it. Hopefully you guys can hear me because I'm on my tab. Technically it's not mine, but. And then, oh, I kind of want to add this. That's too big to mine. Should I add a clock? Sure. You can add like a light here. I don't know why I'm like pressing on it, but it's not pressing. Add a pot. Let's add it behind that. I think I'm going to put that there. Oh, how do I delete this? Oh, here. Duh. And then I'm going to add, oh, this is cube. I would need a table for it. What's this for? Okay, more like balloons. There's actually a lot of stuff to decorate. There's even like Halloween. I'm just not going to get really into it because it's going to take me forever to decorate anything. Trust me, it takes me like so long to decorate something. But yeah, that's how you can decorate a house in Toca Boca, Toca World. I don't know. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.